Who's the most rewarding client you've had so far when you were still doing, like hands-on work? And who was, you don't have to name drop, but who would you not work for ever again?
Okay. The most rewarding work I've ever done for a client was for bands. I like working with bands doing music videos. And this is one where the money's not a lot, but the artistic, soul-filling work, it's good for your soul, creative soul. That's usually bands. I like working with bands. Unfortunately, it's totally unsustainable because you spend as much money on the work as they pay you. So if they pay you $50,000, we're going to spend another $50,000 on top just to finish that job because the budget should have been $100,000. So that's the most rewarding work I've ever done, is for bands. The clients I would never work with again, well, I've never worked with them again. And I know. And some clients, I've had 2 clients that, given the way that the job started, they awarded the job to us. We started to work, but they were such horrible clients. At some point I said, you know what, I want to resign you as a client. Here's your money back. Good luck with your life. Don't use any work we created.
Have they ever approached you again?
No.
Okay.
They shouldn't. They wouldn't. We made it very clear. I mean, when somebody pays you not to do the work, I think you get the hint, right? You guys ever in a rough relationship, male or female? Imagine your boyfriend or girlfriend says to you, you know, I'm having a rotten time. I'm going to pay you $4,000. Just let's not see each other again. Yeah, but isn't there still a chance? I mean, when they go that far, you're like, yeah, you're right. We don't belong. We're not a good fit, right? I'm going to pay you to leave, right? You're not going to be, well, nice shoes. I mean, let's talk about it. No, I just gave you the boot. Just get out of my life. They're not coming back. You just have to have the courage and conviction to say that you're not a good fit for me. Most of us get really flattered, you know? Some ugly client comes up to you like, oh, you do such great work. Oh, thanks. You're like the best. Oh, my God. And then here's $100. No, thank you. But aren't you you're so talented. You could do this in 1 hour. Jung knows what I'm talking about. They start throwing this stuff on you. And at some point, you might break. But if you had a list, nope, not getting good leadership, not real world experience or a portfolio, no thank you.